Hi everyone, I'm back with a Sew Sampler box unboxing. So let's just get right into it. This is February 2019's box, and I did get it yesterday, I believe. And I'm opening it right now. So let's see what it says. It's from the Fat Quarter Shop. It's called Tropical Oasis, which is, you know, pretty good because I live in Hawaii. So let's see. February 2019 box, and there is a promo code for 20% off Andover fabrics. So those are really interesting. Might be a prequel to what's inside the box. So let's go ahead and I'm covering up, that's what my hand is doing, covering up the promo code because it's for us subscription box holders. So this has everything inside, and as usual, I'll list everything below, the price of the box and the retail value to see what our savings was for this month. So I'll put this on the side. Pineapple Quilt Block Foundation paper is the first item I see. Create 6.5-inch unfinished paper piece blocks, and it contains 40 sheets per pad. Used for foundation paper piecing. Fantastic for scraps and pre-cuts. So I do like using paper for piecing because like I said, we can just use little scraps. So we'll put one here, stitch, two, stitch, and all the way around. And it's pretty easy process, so I do like that. And let me see what the retail value of this is. $7.98. And I do like the pineapple quilt blocks, so that's nice. Okay, let's do that. The fabrics last. Alright, so what is this? It is called 4-in-1 Essential Sewing Tool by C&T Publishing, Alex Anderson. I do love Alex Anderson, so let's see what, take it out of the bag. It is a wood tool. So let's see. So there is a seam ripper under one, and I'm thinking this one you could use to when you're pressing, you could use it to press it down. So that might be 1, 2, and this is a piercer, so you can use it to help move the fabric along. And this is a pointy tool, so maybe same thing. Let's see what it says. But again, it's by Alex Anderson. It's pretty light. It's a lightweight tool, so I'm not sure how sturdy that'll be. So it says it's retail $18.98. Not sure if I would buy that for $18.98. It says 4 must-have quilting and crafting tools in one. This unique product includes both a flat-ended presser cap and a pointed wooden cap for finger pressing. So yeah, it's for finger pressing. And I guess you could use it also when you're ironing to get a really crisp edge. And then of course it has a seam ripper and an extra long stiletto for fast unsewing. Okay, so that's $18.98. And the next one is Add a Quarter Plus with its specially designed quarter lip and tapered edge. So this is retailing for $8.98. And it has a like a lip. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like a little lip, so you could maybe put your fabric underneath. But that's what the 1/4 inch is, it seems like. So add a 1/4 inch plus. So this Add a Quarter Plus ruler is specially designed with a lip to automatically add the customary 1/4 inch seam allowance to any angle. It also provides a straight edge for your rotary cutter. The tapered edge is used as a straight edge for folding back the foundation paper. Ah, got it. So we'll use it to fold the foundation paper back, and I'm thinking we could, after it's pierced, then we could go ahead and tear it off really easily. So that's pretty cool. Again, $8.98 is the retail. And it's pink for breast cancer awareness, it seems like. So that's nice. And Mai-Tai quilt pattern. I really like these colors. Bonus size option included. And it has, so it comes, so we have what we need in the box. And this is for the wall hanging. We do need background, binding, and backing. And then for the lap version, we need extra charm packs. So I might just make a wall hanging, but we'll see. I really do like it, but it's super cute. And I do have a lot of white, so I might just go ahead and make this really quickly because I do love the pineapple quilt blocks. And this pattern retails at $9.98. And finishing kits are available at Fat Quarter Shop. So if I wanted to, I could order it from them. And another promo code is 20% off all box items. So if I wanted to buy extras of anything, then it's 20% off. And here is barn block number 11. So next to the last one. And this is really cute. I do like that. Again, I have not made it yet. And this is retails for $4.98. So I do appreciate the barn block recipe every month. And this is Sunprint 2019 by Alison Glass. It's called Single Scoop. And there's 42 pieces from Andover Fabrics. So that's why we got that Andover Fabrics promo code. So this is, so we got two of them, and it retails for $19.96. So I'm thinking that's for both. The retail for both is $19.96. So let me go ahead and see if I can get this off so we can take a look at it. Slide it. Will it slide? I don't want to break it. Okay. Always struggling. Always struggling. It doesn't look like it's taped in there. Okay, let's just rip it. I can tape it back as needed. So let's see what it says. It's a Sunprint is a modern basics collection with a variety of prints and colors meant to give sewists a paint box of fabrics to choose from when creating. The 2019 Sunprint group includes new designs and new colors. It's the perfect addition to your quilting palette. I do love how bright it is. What I'm looking at the camera monitor, and it looks pretty true to size. So there's two pink with blue floral, hot pink, like a dull purple with writing on it. Let me make it right side up. So I'm not sure what it's quoting, but there's blue writing on it. And then there's like a blue purple with bunny rabbits, seahorse, turtles, kind of like an aquatic theme, but there's scissors, thimbles. So I'm not quite sure what the theme is, but the colors are really gorgeous. Two of those. Looks like two of everything. Bright corally pink with burgundy flowers. And that's the same one as before. I'm having a hard time grabbing them. Okay, and then the next two is hot pink with the same wording in like a burgundy. This is a hot pink with the same designs, seahorse, thimble, scissors. So these will really pop with a white background, or any background actually. This is an orange with light pink floral. This is an orange background, a dull orange with red wording. This is a kind of a red, orangey red with the same kind of prints as before. Oh, there's a cupcake. I didn't notice that till now. And then we're going with, looks like a yellow. Okay, struggling again, sorry. Oh, this is really pretty. Sunshiny yellow with hot pink flowers. I like that. I really like how bright these colors are. Mustard yellow with like a brown, grayish brown words. A dull yellow with the same print. And a green, like a grassy green with light blue, sky blue florals. And the next one is like a citron green with dark green words. Kind of a chartreuse green with white print. An aqua with like a sunshiny yellow flower. But there's only one of those. That's weird. Yep, only one of those. Okay, and then aqua turquoisey. Oh, there's only one of some of these with the words, blue words. Only one of those. Kind of a green with print. One. Purple with hot pink flowers. Just one of those. Blue with blue words. Another blue, different type of blue with the background print. Black with pink flowers. These are all ones. A dark gray with black words. A dark gray with the all over print. There's a horseshoe. That's cute. Camera. There's all kinds of stuff in here. A white background with aqua flowers. White background with black words. And a white background with a hot pink all over fabric. So that's really, I love these fabrics. I love these colors. So that's what we got. 2 charm packs with these bright colors. 2 designs. 1 specialized ruler. Let me bring it out a little so you can see. This wooden tool. The quilt block foundation paper. So that's we got. Again, I'll list everything below, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, and talk to you later. Bye.